Welcome to this video. Today I will explore what 3D modeling is, how it works, and why it's become such an important skill in the modern world. So what is 3D modeling? 3D modeling is a process of creating a digital object inside a computer. Think it as a digital sculpting. Instead of clay, we use polygons, vertices, and edges to build shape. A 3D modeling can be anything: a character, a car, a building, a mobile game asset, or even full movie environment. This model can be viewed from any angle, textured, animated, and brought to life inside various software like Blender, Maya, 3ds Max. To create a 3D model, artists use simple components, vertices, edges, and faces. By combining those, we can build anything, from a simple shape to high-detail character. Artists then add material, texture, color, and lighting to make the model look realistic. There are different types of 3D modeling depending on the use case. Low poly models are basically used in game and real-time apps. High poly models used in films, cinematic, and advertising. Hard surface modeling mainly use machines, buildings, and team. Organic models like are use character, creature, plants, entertainment, architecture, product design, education and training, advertising. With 3D skill, you can become a 3D artist, game developer, animator, VFX artist, and product designer, and also AR VR developer. 3D modeling is more than just art. It is a powerful tool that shapes the future of entertainment, design, and technology. Start learning today, and your creativity can build worlds.